If you're thinking about buying the new 27 BMW R12 GS, here's what you need to know before spending your money. At first glance, this bike absolutely nails the retro adventure look. It takes inspiration from the legendary R80 GS, but underneath the classic styling is a modern machine built for both pavement and dirt. The 1,170cc air and oil-cooled boxer engine delivers around 109 horsepower, and it's less about outright speed and more about smooth, usable torque that makes every ride enjoyable. What really impressed me is how balanced it feels. The long travel suspension, 21-inch front wheel, and upright riding position give you confidence whether you're exploring gravel roads or cruising on the highway. It keeps things simple too, without overwhelming you with complicated electronics. Now, it's not perfect. The price is definitely on the premium side, wind protection is minimal, and taller riders may appreciate it more than shorter ones. If you're expecting the comfort and touring features of the bigger GS models, this isn't that bike. But if you want a motorcycle with real character, timeless styling, and genuine off-road capability, the BMW R12 GS is absolutely worth considering. It's not for everyone, but for the right rider, it could be one of BMW's most rewarding adventure bikes yet.